That's the spice?
Spicy.
Oh.
Spicy. Wow, dalagang Pilipino yan. Nag-emote. I like it.
Nice, right?
Like?
You don't want, right?
I want.
Try everything. Nice, I like
Yeah,
that.
at least try everything for...
Spicy. Hey, it's nice.
Good for gastric.
You might want
I
one.
love
It's
gastric.
nice. It's
Okay,
nice.
I'll try. I don't have
Parang
gastric,
it reminds
but
me
I'll
of
try.
one of the sweets when we were
Also
young.
good for ventilation, not good. It's good.
So I like
try.
this one, I will buy
I
one.
will also buy this. I need
Tamarind don't have.
this. Yeah, it smells like
But it's
tamarind.
nice.
Smell like tamarind.
It tastes like
From
tamarind.
the Canada species.
Oh,
Diba?
See? You have to try first.
Before you say no, you have to try first.
Bali
Duh.
spicy. Okay, I will buy.
Okay, but it's spicy.
good for gastric.
Yeah. I think must buy for your also.
Bali.
Anyway, does she drink tea?
Yeah, see.
It's good.
Yeah.
Want to try it?
Try a little bit.
Peer pressure.
Are you gonna let go?
Pressure. Try.
It
No,
doesn't smell good.
It's interesting, but it's nice for us. Not so bad.
Then I call it. It's right there.
Lemongrass is nice also.
No, I'm done.
Iganyan mo kasi bibilhin natin to.
Sige yung bibilin ganyan.
may
Okay.
gusto ko to. I will buy this.
I will buy also coconut.
This one?
This is?
This one I want to try.
What is this?
Ah, we want to try the blue one.
lemongrass.
Yeah, the good shit one. One cup only. Yeah.
We try first.
We're cheap shit.
And it's
I don't want.
$3 or something.
Ay, ba't ko binalik?
I like.
No, you like it, I don't like. I want this.
This one is good.
The lemongrass I like.
But I'm not sure if my mom will drink that.
Probably.
But does she drink tea?
Maasim.
Not much.
Oh, nice. Di ba?
But she drinks
I
coffee.
will buy this.
I think because the lemongrass is not for with gastric issue.
It's strong.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Ginger tea also. Marami kang mag-drink ginger tea.
Okay, next. Ginger tea.
Spice.
For the teachers that doesn't have voice
Voice.
anymore.
Pero magkano kaya per packet, no?
That's the question.
How much?
How much is the
Very
much?
strong. Nanunuot. Diba?
It's strong.
Yeah.
Than yesterday. Ayun nga, sabi
I
niya,
just lemon tea.
try it the last one. It's very strong. But it's nice.
Kick.
But you know
If you
this,
put lemon,
but
you put
this one is
honey.
really good now in our in school now.
You put honey, it will be nice.
Pass.
Yeah.
Pass?
The cases there.
Yeah, you can
feel it
you feel
here,
it
yeah.
going down. Oh, it's already here.
Okay, next is mangosteen. I also am interested with the mangosteen.
Yeah, mangosteen is good. Good for your health.
In theory,
It's okay, nice. Maybe too diluted.
it tastes like, what is that? The drinks, the purple drink in Singapore.
Ribena.
Ah, really?
It tastes like Ribena.
Yeah. The purple drink.
Smells sweet.
But it's nice. I'm interested to buy this.
Wow.
Depending on the price.
Yes.
This one.
Like just a pound of coffee in the States is $7.
Dollars. Yeah.
Yeah,
Next.
7 or 8.
What's next?
Roselle.
Roselle.
Rosella.
Rosella na ba?
Roselle na ba? Bakit
Roselle
ka ba
na ba?
mahal na mahal kita?
Ito nga yung kulay niya. Ayun na.
Okay lang, I'm not funny.
Nice, but comparing to this one, I prefer this.
This one is nice. Like juice. Sa inyo lahat ng picture, ah.
Yeah.
You and May is the same.
Like the syrup, the cup syrup like that.
I don't like the smell.
Yeah.
Robitussin.
Sabihin mo, Rebitusin.
Robitussin. I know how.
How?
Yeah, but I don't want to.
Come on, say it.
I forgot.
Say it.
I
How do
heard
you-
it somewhere.
How do you say it like natural, like
Robitussin in the
Robitussin.
Philippines. Yeah.
Say it, Cherry.
Robitussin.
Yeah, in the Philippines, it's Robitussin. But I know the American one.
How about
How do you
Pinky?
say it in your language? In your
Rubitocin.
accent? Rubitocin.
They're making fun of me for that.
This
Rubitocin.
mangosteen good for antioxidant.
Which one?
Oh.
Mangosteen.
Oh.
Yeah.
Naturally, the sweetness
I want
from the
to
fruit.
bilang.
Yeah.
Last one?
Last one, last one.
Pandan. Tastes like caramel.
Oh, really?
You wanna try first? Para may ibang...
Audio Jungle.